Right now, we are continuing to follow breaking news in Fairfield County. The sheriff's office there confirms 9 people are in the hospital following a carbon monoxide leak at a home. Here's another live look at the scene on Slough Road in Northwest. It's Slough Road Northwest, rather. This is Canal Winchester. This is just south of US 33. The sheriff's office says first responders arrived at that scene at around 9:30 this morning on a report of an unconscious person. 2 people inside the house were taken to the hospital for treatment of carbon monoxide poisoning. 7 first responders are also in the hospital as a precaution in case of their exposure. The sheriff's office says a 96-year-old woman died at the scene. The cause of death has not been released. You'll want to stay with 10 TV using the free 10 TV mobile app for the latest on this breaking story. That is available now in your phone's app store.